Hello and welcome everyone. Are you keen to tap into the power of your brain and unlock a more intelligent you? Well, you've come to the right place. We've all heard of the saying, intelligence is not fixed, and today we're going to explore exactly how you can foster your intelligence, daily, and with ease. From simple habits like reading and journaling to diverse activities like learning a new language or traveling, there are so many paths that can lead you towards being smarter. So, if you're ready to dive into a journey of self-improvement and cognitive growth, let's get started. We've got a lot to cover, so buckle up, keep an open mind, and let's unlock your brain's full potential together. Here are 20 everyday habits to make you smarter. Activity number 1: Reading. Reading is one of the most valuable habits you can cultivate to improve intelligence. It not only enhances vocabulary and grammar, but also improves comprehension and expands general knowledge. By diving into complex literature, be it fiction or non-fiction, you expose your mind to diverse ideas, perspectives, and experiences. This exposure fosters creativity, critical thinking, and empathy, broadening your understanding of the world and increasing your ability to communicate effectively. Engaging in regular reading helps to build cognitive reserve, aiding in long-term brain health and function. Activity number 2: Brain exercises. Participating in brain-boosting activities such as puzzles, chess, Sudoku, or other strategic games can greatly contribute to cognitive development. These exercises challenge the brain, enhancing problem-solving skills, memory, and attention span. They compel the brain to forge new connections, making it more adaptable and resilient. This cognitive flexibility can have a profound impact on overall intelligence, making you more efficient at learning new things and dealing with unfamiliar situations. This habitual mental stimulation helps to counteract cognitive decline, keeping the brain active and agile. Activity number 3: Continued learning. The brain, like any other muscle, needs regular exercise to stay sharp. By continuously learning and seeking new knowledge, you provide that necessary exercise. Whether it's through attending courses, reading academic papers, watching educational videos, or exploring new hobbies, keeping your mind active promotes cognitive function and encourages neuroplasticity. Lifelong learning also boosts self-confidence and self-efficacy, providing not just intellectual benefits, but emotional ones as well. It nurtures curiosity, fostering a healthier, more flexible brain that's capable of adapting to new situations and challenges. Activity number 4: Meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool for enhancing mental clarity, concentration, memory, and emotional intelligence. By fostering a state of mindfulness, it encourages you to remain in the present moment, thereby training your attention and focus. It also reduces stress and anxiety, which are often barriers to effective learning and cognition. With consistent practice, meditation can lead to changes in the brain structure associated with improved cognitive function. Additionally, it can enhance self-awareness and empathy, key aspects of emotional intelligence that contribute to improved interpersonal relationships. Activity number 5: Physical exercise. Regular physical exercise provides numerous cognitive benefits. Aerobic activities, for instance, increase the flow of oxygen-rich blood to the brain, nourishing its cells and promoting the growth of new neurons and synapses. Exercise also releases endorphins, neurotransmitters that reduce stress and enhance mood. Both of these effects contribute to improved mental clarity and memory. Resistance training and balance activities, on the other hand, can stimulate spatial awareness and coordination, augmenting cognitive function. Therefore, maintaining a consistent exercise routine can boost not just physical health, but mental health as well. Activity number 6: Adequate sleep. Sleep plays a vital role in cognitive function and intelligence. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories, processing and storing information learned during the day. Sleep deprivation impairs this process, hampering memory and learning. Moreover, a well-rested brain is better equipped for problem-solving and creativity, as fatigue can impair focus and cognitive flexibility. Quality sleep also reduces stress and anxiety, promoting emotional stability and resilience. Thus, ensuring that you get sufficient sleep each night can enhance both your cognitive performance and overall well-being. Activity number 7: Nutritious Diet. Eating a healthy, balanced diet has a significant impact on cognitive function and intelligence. Nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provide the energy necessary for brain function. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and flax seeds, promote brain health and memory. Antioxidants, prevalent in foods like berries and dark chocolate, protect brain cells from damage. Vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6, B12, and folic acid, prevalent in lean meats, dairy, and leafy greens, support brain health by reducing homocysteine in the blood, which is associated with a higher risk of stroke and cognitive impairment. Hence, by choosing nutrient-rich foods, you are fueling your brain with the building blocks it needs for optimal function and growth. Activity number 8: Journaling. Journaling is a powerful tool for enhancing communication skills, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. By putting thoughts, ideas, and feelings into words, you're engaging multiple areas of the brain involved in thinking and language processing, thus exercising and strengthening these regions. Journaling encourages reflective thought, fostering greater self-awareness and understanding. It can help you articulate complex ideas more effectively, boosting your verbal intelligence. Moreover, exploring and expressing emotions in a journal can enhance your emotional intelligence, leading to better self-regulation and interpersonal skills. Activity number 9: Limiting screen time. Spending excessive time in front of screens can lead to cognitive fatigue, impaired concentration, and decreased social interaction. It can also disrupt sleep patterns, further affecting cognitive function. Limiting screen time encourages a healthier lifestyle and better cognitive health. It provides opportunities for physical activity, face-to-face social interactions, and engagement in activities that stimulate the brain in different ways, such as reading, playing an instrument, or cooking. A balanced approach to screen use supports a variety of cognitive functions and promotes healthier habits. Activity number 10: Listening to music. Listening to music stimulates the brain in unique ways. Numerous studies suggest that certain types of music, particularly classical music, can enhance cognitive function. The Mozart effect, a theory proposing that listening to Mozart's music can increase IQ, has sparked considerable interest in this area. While the effect on IQ has been contested, listening to music has been found to improve mood, reduce stress, and enhance spatial-temporal skills. Engaging with music can also boost creativity and concentration, further promoting cognitive function. Activity number 11: Learning a new language. The cognitive benefits of multilingualism are well documented. Learning a new language exercises the brain, improving memory, attention, and problem-solving skills. It enhances cognitive flexibility, fostering the ability to switch between tasks and think in diverse ways. It also enriches cultural understanding and empathy, contributing to interpersonal intelligence. Furthermore, multilingualism has been linked to delaying the onset of dementia. Thus, learning a new language is a potent way to stimulate cognitive growth and maintain brain health. Activity number 12: Networking. Regular social interaction plays a crucial role in cognitive health. Meeting and interacting with different people exposes you to a variety of perspectives and ideas, stimulating thought and enhancing social intelligence. Regular social engagement also helps maintain emotional health, which can positively impact cognitive function. Furthermore, it has been found that social activities can delay cognitive decline in older adults. Hence, networking is a valuable practice for maintaining a sharp and flexible mind. Activity number 13: Traveling. Traveling exposes you to new cultures, experiences, and environments, challenging your brain and stimulating cognitive flexibility. It broadens your understanding of the world, enriching your knowledge and cultural intelligence. Traveling also boosts creativity and problem-solving skills, as you often need to adapt to unforeseen situations. It can also improve your emotional intelligence as you navigate cultural differences and interact with diverse groups of people. Thus, the mental stimulation derived from traveling can enhance cognitive function and contribute to overall intelligence. Activity number 14: Learning to play a musical instrument. The process of learning and playing a musical instrument provides extensive cognitive benefits. It engages various areas of the brain simultaneously, enhancing coordination, listening skills, and multitasking abilities. It fosters pattern recognition and memory, as you must remember sequences of notes and rhythms. Playing music also improves emotional intelligence by encouraging expression and regulation of emotions. Hence, engaging in this activity can enhance a variety of cognitive skills, contributing to greater intelligence. Activity number 15: Practicing mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness encourages you to stay present and attentive, enhancing your focus and observational skills. By acknowledging and accepting your thoughts and emotions, mindfulness fosters emotional intelligence and self-regulation. It also reduces stress and anxiety, leading to better mental clarity and improved cognitive performance. Regular mindfulness practice can lead to structural changes in the brain associated with enhanced attention and emotional control. Thus, incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can boost both your cognitive and emotional intelligence. Activity number 16: Limiting alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption can have certain health benefits, excessive drinking can have detrimental effects on the brain. It can lead to cognitive decline, memory loss, and decreased problem-solving abilities. Therefore, moderation is key. By limiting alcohol intake, you're preserving your brain's health and maintaining its capacity to function optimally. It also encourages healthier habits, like proper nutrition and regular exercise, which further support cognitive health and intelligence. Activity number 17: Spending time in nature. Spending time in nature can provide significant cognitive benefits. Nature can reduce stress and enhance mood, leading to better mental clarity and creativity. It can also boost concentration and memory. Some research suggests that even looking at images of nature can stimulate the brain and improve cognitive function. Thus, incorporating regular walks in the park or hikes in the woods can help stimulate your brain and potentially increase your intelligence. Activity number 18: Practicing deep work. Deep work is a period of focused, uninterrupted work. By dedicating specific time to intense focus without distractions, you train your brain to become more efficient at tasks, leading to increased productivity. This focused state can also enhance problem-solving skills and creativity, as you're fully engaged with the task at hand. Therefore, practicing deep work can contribute to improved cognitive function, efficiency, and overall intelligence. Activity number 19: Continuous self-reflection. Self-reflection is a practice of introspection, encouraging you to analyze your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. This process enhances self-awareness and emotional intelligence, as you learn to understand and manage your emotions more effectively. It can also improve decision-making skills and personal growth, as you learn from past experiences and implement changes. By promoting better self-understanding, self-reflection fosters personal growth and emotional intelligence. Activity number 20: Trying new things. Trying new things stimulates the brain by providing new experiences and challenges. Whether it's trying a new hobby, meeting new people, or exploring new ideas, novel experiences promote cognitive flexibility and creativity. They can also enhance problem-solving skills, as unfamiliar situations require you to think in new ways. Furthermore, they can foster resilience and adaptability, key components of emotional intelligence. Thus, embracing novelty can stimulate brain function and enhance overall intelligence. Well, there you have it, folks, 20 everyday habits that can boost your intelligence. Remember, the journey towards becoming smarter is a marathon, not a sprint. It's all about consistency and patience. Keep cultivating these habits and gradually, you'll start seeing a difference in your cognitive abilities. Whether it's picking up a book to read, meditating for a few minutes each day, or trying out a new hobby, every step you take towards fostering these habits is a step towards a more intelligent you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. Don't forget, your brain is an amazing powerhouse, waiting to be unlocked. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop growing. Until next time, stay curious and stay smart.